Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we are going to be making chopped cheese. The ingredients that you're going to need are hoagie rolls, mayonnaise, mustard, ketchup. I have butter lettuce here, but you can use the lettuce of your choice. I'm going to use sasoon, ground black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, 4 slices of American cheese, tomato, a half an onion, and a pound of ground beef. Now this is perfect when you want to watch the Eagles game next weekend. Okay guys, next you're going to want to put if you're using salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder, and mix into your ground beef. Then make 3 patties out of it. Have my half an onion chopped. Already chopped my butter lettuce, my tomatoes, and I have my American cheese. Next, we're going to put some oil, just a little bit of olive oil, into our frying pan, and we're going to start to saute our onions. Okay guys, I have my pan heating up with a little bit of olive oil in it. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my onions to one side of the pan. And we can start to saute them. Okay guys, as you can see, our onions are sauteed. So I'm going to go ahead and take them out and put them in the bowl. Okay, next I'm going to add the patties we made. And we're going to cook these until they're browned all around. Guys, make sure your heat is at medium low and let them sit in there and cook until they start browning. Okay guys, I've turned my burger patties over, and now we're going to let them brown on the other side. Okay guys, now what you want to do, take your spatula and break your meat up just like this. And we're going to keep chopping it until all 3 patties are chopped up. Now that your meat is all chopped up, we're going to go ahead and add our onions back in. Let them cook in with that. Go ahead and mix everything together real good. Make sure all your meat is cooked thoroughly. So we're going to go ahead and cook that in some. Okay guys, I went ahead and add our cheese on like so, and all we're going to do, go ahead and mix. We'll let the heat from the meat, melt that cheese in there. You can go ahead and turn your stove off now. And the meat is going to melt it now. All that, look at that. Looks good. Just keep mixing. Coming together nice. Okay guys, in a separate frying pan, I have it heating up, no oil or anything. We're going to put mayonnaise onto our hoagie rolls. Turn them up in there like that. And we're going to toast them. We're going to toast them not long. Once you see they start to turn brown, then we can turn them over and get the other side a little toasty also. Okay guys, our hoagie rolls are toasted nicely. Next, we're going to put our chopped cheese on there. So here you have it guys, chopped cheese. If you're watching a game this weekend, this is a good sandwich to make. Everyone will love it. And also, you might want to pick up some of your chips and your salsa. Alright guys, this is NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Thank you guys for watching. Please come back, like and subscribe. See you next time.